Igbo billionaires Obi Cubana, Cubana chief priest, Zenco, MVM, Ebig Nwankwo, and the rest of them donate 18-seater buses for City Boy movement in the entire Southeast. Okay, guys, we all know officially Obi Cubana, Cubana chief priest, Zenco, and the rest of them, some of the top Igbo billionaires, has joined the City Boy movement for APC Ahmed Tinubu 2027 presidential election campaign. And yesterday, they were seen with brand new buses in which they donated for the campaign. This is really funny, guys. I don't even know what to say. In as much as they have been doing this, but Nigerians have been dragging them left, right, and center due to the choices of what they made to decide to support Tinubu ahead of the 2027 presidential election. Watch the video and tell us what you think about it.
Zenco. One.
Zenco.
Zenco.
Zenco two. What about Zenco 2?
Zenco. Three.
The greatest
to ever do it. The greatest to ever do it.
C for energy. One.
C energy.
It's number one. Have to
One.
support the movement.
C energy. Two.
No, we have to support the movement. Yes. It's unstoppable.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we have to support the movement.
C energy.
The time has come for us to be part of
Everyone will
the
manage
system.
and
We can't negotiate from
logistics.
That's
the logistics. And the touch. I'm more with God. I'm more with God. If you want to on my own. My younger brother. What? Company. Hams Divine. Thank you.
So we have 5 states in Southeast. Imo, Anambra, Abia, Enugu, and they are all represented.
I'm much coming.
I'm not going to video.
My movement is like a movement that I go for. You have no City Boy movement. So movement.
So if you're a City Boy, if you're going on the City Boy movement, I mean you're going fresh. Brand new 2026 buses.
How many pieces?
100 pieces. So
How many pieces?
this is what we call starter. When we go for dinner, starter. Our lifestyle can get with politics, not your kind of politics. So we call it premium City Boy movement.
So this is the greatest support that has come from any other zone. And what it means that now,
100%.
Jagaba, I have one.
Obi Cubana's appointment as the City Boy ambassador. What's your take on it, please?
Yes, last night I think the Igbos are angry with me. I'm so sorry. My children are Igbo. I went to Anambra for my wine carrying. I'm a born polygamist. I have 2 wives, white and black. And I'm blessed the black one is from Igbo, Anambra, Ajali, Orumba North local government. So I'm partly Igbo. But Igbos are the most greedy Nigerians you can ever meet. We have activists in Nigeria. We have a guy called Sunday Igboho. Igboho Osha. Yes, sir. He's back home now. They even want to give him 2,000 title. Yes. Are you we have bandits, Fulani herdsmen, chancing us from the north. There is still one man called Sheikh Gumi. You still say, no, they need money, leave them. It's because no education. We have another guy called Kanu Unamdi. Where is he? Is he Shokoto? And your brother is Obi Cubana. are wearing a mandate that they cannot use a political power to negotiate and bring their brother out. I didn't say you should fight, but you are corridor of power. You give me this, I wear your cap, you release my brothers. You see, and I don't know their source of wealth. You can trace my own wealth. I'm a billionaire and I'm worth 11 million pounds. You can chase it. I can tell you step to step. So, Cubana chief priest, I don't know how a barman can be that rich. And when you see the Igbos, they are used to Rolls Royce, fast, big life, build big house in their village. They won't go there. When they go, they will go and oppress the village. They will say, I had fun. They are oppressors. I'm richer than many of them. But I'm very simple. I don't have police. I walk alone. I'm with my brother today. I go anywhere alone. So you see, the moment you decide to be selfless, you'll be able to help others. Look at yesterday, we are protesting. Obi was there alone, the only Igbo man there. Other people are there, but his brothers, they don't collect cow. They are selfish. That's why they are marginalized, and they will continue like that. They are cheap to buy. If you want to buy cheap Nigeria, Igbo is number one. I'm sorry, forgive me. You know, my children are Igbo too, so you can't tell me I'm tribalistic. I can one of us down, and nobody is talking apart from Abarebe or somebody. Who is the Igbo that is talking? Who is the Igbo that you can compare to Tinubu? I can give you many Yoruba that are similar to Tinubu. I can give you many Aboki that are similar to Tinubu. Give me Igbo one, way similar. Everybody is negotiating for their pockets and they beat it. Une association.
Thank you.